Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. I hope you're finding these daily biology MCQs and Sunday's unit-wise MCQs helpful in your preparation for the upcoming NEET exam, and if you are finding them helpful, do share it with your friends and other NEET aspirants as well. Also, if you have any suggestion or doubts, you can ping us in the comment section. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 64. A population will not exist in a Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium if there are no mutation, there is no migration, the population is large, individuals mate selectively. The correct answer is option D. If the individuals mate selectively, the population will not exist in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium.
Question number 71. Removal of PCT from nephron will result in more concentrated urine, no change in quantity and quality of urine, no urine formation, more diluted urine. Removal of proximal convoluted tubule from nephron will result in. The correct answer is option D, more of diluted urine. Question number 82. Which two of following changes A to D usually tend to occur in the plain dwellers when they move towards the high altitude? Increase in RBC size, increase in RBC production, increased breathing rate, increase in thrombocyte count. Which of the following changes occur? The correct answer is option 1, that is increase in RBC production and increase in breathing rate. Why? Because the oxygen in the high atmosphere is present at the lower pressure, right? So we need more of RBC and increase breathing rate to reach the amount of oxygen required by the body.
Question number 94. During biological nitrogen fixation, inactivation of nitrogenase by oxygen poisoning is prevented by cytochrome, leg hemoglobin, xanthophylls, carotene. Correct answer is option B, leg hemoglobin. Question number 63. An element playing important role in nitrogen fixation is molybdenum, copper, manganese or zinc. Element that plays important role in nitrogen fixation. The correct answer is option A, molybdenum. Question number 86. In which group of organisms the cell walls form two thin overlapping shells which fit together? Option A, slime molds. Option B, chrysophytes. Option C, euglenoids. Option D, dinoflagellates. Group of organisms in which the cell wall form two thin overlapping shells which fit together. The correct answer is option B, chrysophytes. Question number 95. Male gametophyte in gymnosperm produces option A, 3 sperms, option B, 2 sperms and a vegetative cell, option C, single sperm and a vegetative cell, option D, single sperm and 2 vegetative cells. The correct answer is option B, 2 sperms and a vegetative cell. Question number 83. IPGA as the first carbon dioxide fixation product was discovered in photosynthesis of option A, bryophytes, option B, gymnosperms, option C, angiosperms or option D, algae. Correct answer is option D, that is algae. Question number 58. Which of the following are the most suitable indicator of SO2 pollution in the environment? Fungus, lichens, conifers, algae. Most suitable indicator of SO2 pollution. Correct answer is option B, lichens. Question number 84. The bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis is widely used in contemporary biology as insecticide, agent for production of dairy products, source of industrial enzymes, or indicator of water pollution. The correct answer is option 1, insecticide. Question number 54. The genetically modified GM brinjal in India has been developed for insect resistance, enhancing shelf life, enhancing mineral content, or drought resistance? The correct answer is option 1, insect resistance.
Question number 79. The introduction of tDNA into plants involves allowing plant root to stand in water, infection of the plant by Agrobacterium tumefaciens, altering the pH of the soil, then heat socking the plants, exposing the plant to cold for a brief period. Introduction of tDNA into plant involves. Basically, how does tDNA is introduced into plant is being asked in the question. So the correct answer is option 2. By the infection of the plant by Agrobacterium tumefaciens, the tDNA is introduced into the plants. Question number 53. The thermostable enzymes TAC and PFU isolated from thermophilic bacteria are RNA polymerases, DNA ligases, DNA polymerases, restriction endonucleases. The correct answer is option C, DNA polymerases.
Question number 79. In genetic engineering, a DNA segment or gene of interest is transferred to the host cell through a vector. Consider the following 4 agents A to D in this regard and select the correct option about which one or more of these can be used as a vector or vectors. Bacterium, plasmid, plasmodium, bacteriophage. Option A. A only, option 2. A and C only, option 3. B and D only, or option 4. A, B and D only. Which of the following can be used as a vector or vectors? So the correct answer is option 3, B and D only.
Question number 83. The carrier ions like sodium facilitate absorption of substances like amino acid glucose, glucose fatty acid glycerol, fructose and some amino acids. Facilitate the absorption of. The correct answer is option D, fructose and some amino acids. Absorption is facilitated by sodium. So those are the MCQs for today. I'll see you guys again in the next video. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.